Hey guys, Lucky here, and today I want to show you guys my strategy around maxing out one of the wallets. So I moved over $1,000 from Kado. I just had a transaction fail, so I'm a little short under 998. But essentially, I'm going to take $990 from the 1,000 that I transferred over. It's a $2 Kado fee, so I'm going to put 990 here, and I'm going to buy B Luna. So let me buy that. I'm going to get around 11.3, confirm this, approve this, and we're going to max this wallet out to the point of a liquidation level based off a chart that I'm looking at. So I'll show you guys that once I do this. All right, so I just purchased 11.31 Luna. Let's look at the chart real quick. So based off my chart, I think a safe level, if I look at this here, that's 77, that's 71, that's 64 right there. That's 52. So, I like somewhere in between this 66 to 62 range. I'll probably say a liquidation level. From the 89 range, it's about a $26 drop. Math wise, I don't even know what that is off the top of my head, but so let's go to Anchor, and let's go to borrow, let's go to provide, and let's put all of my B Luna in. I'm going to proceed. Let me approve this. And now that's provided. So essentially, I have now a liquidation point of nothing because I haven't borrowed yet, right? So I provided my B Luna. I bought $990 worth, and I have a collateral value of 1,012. So I'm going to borrow. Now, if I borrow right to my liquidation point of what I was just talking about, 60, 2, we'll say, and I buy more B Luna and I come back, I'm going to end up paying another gas fee to kind of keep relooping and relooping and relooping. So I'm actually going to do some math here to tell you what on your initial borrow is to get to the sweet spot. So give me a second on this video. I'm gonna stop it here and do the math and then come right back and then give you guys the formula. All right, guys, so I'm back. So I was trying to do some math. Essentially what I'm trying to do is save gas fees on your borrow, because what people like to do is they like to borrow maybe, up to 75 or something safe, get the UST, go buy B Luna and reloop it. I'll come up with the formula. I think for right now, I'm just going to push this to 80, let's say we push this to 90. Okay. So let's push this to 90, right around 90. Let's borrow this money. Okay. Maybe we'll go a little slower. So let's go to 85. Okay. 85. So we'll do $700. Okay. There we go. All right. Proceed. I'm going straight to Astroport and turning this to B Luna as fast as possible. So I shouldn't have too much risk of liquidation here. The goal is to save me a loop or two. Like I said, I'll work on a formula to maybe see what that can be. Because I realized last night I was, borrowing up to 70, rebuying, borrowing up to 70, rebuying, and I was just paying that gas fee there. All right, so I'm going to take the money in Astroport, refresh this. We're leaving, I think, $8 in my wallet. So 706 minus 8, 698.86. Buy B Luna. And once this is bought, I'm going to go right back to Anchor and provide it. Now remember, I'm looking for that 62, 63 dollar range Okay, so see, that's what I thought. So again, you're going to get down to a reasonable level by providing all that B Luna. And let's see where we're at now. So I'm at 50. So I'm going to borrow again. What's my liquidation? 47. So I'm trying to get to that 62, right around 67. So I'm going to go back up. We'll go to 85 again. Proceed. And I'm guessing you will have to do a couple loops. You know, I might save us a loop, but for sure there's going to be at least 2 or 3 loops in this. Okay, so I'm borrowing again. Going back over to Astroport. I'm going to minus the $8, so that would be 480.74. I'm always leaving $8 in my wallet. Buying more B Luna. And once this is done, I will provide it again in Anchor. Okay, we're getting close now. So that was 2 loops. So let's see where we're at with 2 loops. So 2 loops at 85%. Where did that get us? Did that get me to... I think this might be right. Let's see. Close. You know, I bet if I borrowed a little above 85, I got this accomplished in 2 loops. So I'm going to just get this to where I want it to be. So let's do 63. Borrow another $56. Just because I want to max this out to the level that I want. So I think if I would have pushed that a little bit higher to probably that 86, 87% range, I would have saved myself a loop. Like I said, I'll work on a formula for everyone to kind of just figure out what that is. All right, so 63.22 minus 8, 55.22. Boom, boom. Wrong way. All right, swap. We are rocking and rolling tonight, so we are maxing this guy out. All right. So I've essentially taken 1,000, got over 2,000 in collateral, which is great. So let's get these numbers here for everyone once we're done. All right, so I'm going to stop after that loop there. All right, so we started with $990, right? I moved 1,000 from Kado, brought in $998. Took that $998, spent $990. My $990 is now worth $22.76. So what's the math on that? 2276.719 divided by 990. A 2.29 leverage on Luna. I've accumulated 25 more Luna through this with a liquidation price of 61,445. I think that's great. You know, if I need more, I will probably take my yield from my other wallets and move them over here to help this. But this might be one of those set it and forget it if we don't go that low ever again. So hopefully this was helpful to see how you can take 1,000 from Kado, the $2 fee, take $998. I left $8 in my wallet for gas. Spent the $990 and got right around 2,200, almost 2,300 of collateral. It's pretty amazing. All right, guys. Talk to you later.